Thank you for being my friend. When I was down and there was nobody, thank you for showing up and telling me that I am more than I thought I was. Beyond this love, you've been the most amazing friend I've had, and I'm not going to lie about it. I have girlfriends, I have my female friends, they have my back. But every time I need a different opinion, you've always been there. You always show up for me. That's how I'm presenting this from the house of Levi. You always write the script and I always recite it. Today I promise you that I am going to love you. I'm going to submit to you. I'm going to accept your snoring and I'm not going to complain. Don't worry. I'm looking forward to forever with you. I love you.